Hi everyone! Today I want to talk about a color that I've been confused with for the longest time until recently when I got all these pigments. Cobalt green. Now, cobalt green comes in two forms, that I know of at least, the Titanate version and the Chromate version. So the top three will all be the Titanate version, which is made of PG50, and the bottom will be Chromate, which is PG26. So we're going to start with Cobalt Titanate green, or Cobalt green Titanate. I have three versions of these. I think a lot of people usually know PG50 as the Cobalt teal, which is similar to the Sennelier turquoise green at the end there on the far right. But the first one we're looking at here is Cobalt green light. It's a middle green? Would you say this is a middle green or a yellow green? I'd say it's a middle green. It granulates. Both Roman Szmal and Lukas are exactly the same in hue. Lukas's version seems a bit foggy. Is that when people say it's like chalky? But the granulation is amazing in both of them. I think they're both great. And you can see here, Sennelier turquoise green, as I said, is more of the cobalt teal color or cobalt turquoise light that we all know of. That's PG50, cobalt green Titanate. Now, we're moving on to cobalt green Chromate, which is made of PG26. With this one, I was so confused. For the longest time, I've always wanted Rembrandt's cobalt turquoise green, and I thought it was going to granulate, but it doesn't. I knew it was going to be low tinting, and the brochure does say it granulates, but it doesn't granulate. If it does, it's ever so slightly, and I don't count that it granulates. So I'm disappointed with that. Now the next two are very similar in hue. The first one is Lukas Verona Green Earth. I love it for what it is. It granulates beautifully. I definitely buy this. Gotta wait for 2023. Okay. And we have Schmincke's version, which is Cobalt Green Dark. It looks like Lukas wants to be Schmincke's Cobalt Green Dark, but a sort of like a student version of Schmincke in terms of how light it is. Now the Schmincke one doesn't look like it granulates as much as Lukas, but it does granulate, and it does have a deep, rich, dark color in mass tone, and that's what I love about it. Do you use any of these 6 colors? The only ones I use are Sennelier turquoise green, which is the cobalt teal color that many people know as, and I'm hoping to experiment more with cobalt green dark this year, Schmincke's version. But I honestly don't know what to use Roman Szmal's cobalt green light for. It's a middle green that I prefer mixing my own greens. Do any of you use this Roman Szmal cobalt green light type of color? What do you use it for? I honestly don't know. I'm sure it mixes other great types of greens, but it just doesn't come to mind. I'd love to know which one was your favorite. Do you use any of these? That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated, everyone.